Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we did finally find a white cabinet. It's not exactly like the one that I had posted a photo of, but she's perfect. We got it from IKEA. It holds so much more than the previous dresser did, and I just feel like it fits the room better. Much more modern. In our previous apartment building, we had a really long marble coffee tabletop, and we kept it in storage for quite a long time, and I am so happy that we did because we are doing a cutout top to go on top of the IKEA cabinet that I just showed you, which our coffee bar is going to go on. Here's Jeremy cutting and getting it perfectly to size.
You okay with that?
With what?
It popped.
Oh yeah, that's all right. That's marble, right? Happens. I might want to like put some white on this corner just to like fill it in.
Grab some stuff because we gotta get going, right?
Yep. Hello, gorgeous. Get a better view of this during the day, like when the lighting is good, and I can turn off all these artificial lights, but oh my word, I love it. Oh, I love it. We are ready. Today's the day we get our countertops. And the guys, they're here. I need to see if I can film them. Also, you guys, I got my hair done yesterday and I should have filmed right after how it looked. I still have some curl left, but do you see these beautiful layers? I love it. I love it so much. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. And then we're gonna bring up this one. You guys, oh my goodness. Okay. They just left, but this is the sink. Love. Okay, it's literally so good. Oh dang, it was wet. I'm so happy, so happy. And this weekend, Saturday, Jeremy and I will start doing the tile. Let me show you the tile. I think I might have already showed you. Okay, so this is, I think it's, what is it? 3 by 12? 2 by 12. 3 by 12. And so we're gonna do stacked. As you guys, if you've watched the other videos, you know, we're doing stacked horizontal all the way around. So starting here, we're gonna do this entire wall here and then all the way to the edge. Hello and good morning. Excuse my appearance, but today we are going to start tiling the kitchen, and we have a few other things to hang, some electrical work to do. I've not put my face on yet, so I will do that. But right now what I'm doing is figuring out, once we get our new tabletop, it's going to be about 47 inches, and I just need to visualize the size of it so that we can center it for our new light, which is, here it is. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. And Jeremy is figuring out the vanity light. Everything's crazy. But yeah, I think this is gonna help me. Here we're using muscle bound, and the reason that we're using this is because in general, when you have paneling for your walls, paneling is so thin and it is not recommended that you use the normal backing that tile would have. So this is another way to do it. If you do have wall paneling, we get this at Lowe's and it is truly amazing. We used it in our last apartment for our kitchen tile, and of course we are using it in this. And it really helps you to go at a slower pace if you need to, like we did. So muscle bound is amazing and we highly recommend it. So you just stick on, it's a double-sided tape, and so you just put it on and then you peel off the other side and stick as you wish. All right, so this is where we're at. We are going to stop here because there's too much in life going on. We're going to chip away at it all throughout this week. So that's where we are. This kitchen's so amazing. So if I get to a point that feels like that, stop.
Stop. You want it to harden up a little bit.
Okay. Obsessed. Okay, next, this wall. Correct, sir. The 11 total. 10 that you bring over.
No, I need 10 total, right?
No, if I do one more row, it's 11 total.
Okay, 10 more. Is that right?
Yep. This is what we've done so far. I am working on this, and that's that. There we go. Well, we finished, and I am so in love. I'm so happy. Anyway, we are celebrating. We popped open some Prosecco, and we're gonna eat some pizza. I'm so happy.